Hello everyone, today we are doing an unbagging of GinCoband Fitbit Versa band replacement. This band will fit Fitbit Versa, Versa Lite, SE No Tracker 10. When you're ordering, you get one band per package, either small or large. The colors you can choose from on Amazon from their store are black, gray, purple, red, white, khaki, lavender, navy blue, peach, and teal. And I will show you the bag. Alright, now to take it out. This is how the band came in the package. And that is everything that came in the bag. And this is what it looks like when I have it on my Fitbit. Let's see how it fits. There we go. There we go. Now, it's going to be fun breaking in a new band. Took me a while to break in the one I had. But, there we go. That is the replacement band in teal from GinCoband. Alright. Well, all I can say, I mean, it looks nice. I like teal. I mean, it feels just like my other band, so ain't really much difference other than color. So, well, that's it for the replacement band in teal from GinCoband. I will put all the information in my social sites, and that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the review and unbagging, and if you did, please hit like and subscribe, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.